Ford WDRC Monster Truck Off-Road Vehicle 2.4 grams Remote Control Crawler Electric Cars. (116RC Monster Truck). Equipped with a super powerful brushless motor, the highest output power is up to 600 watts, allowing you to truly enjoy the joy of control, sensitive 2.4 GHz remote control system and fast response. Full metal body. The all-metal body structure not only looks full of power, but also feels the rapid burst of the remote control car during use. Unique paddle tires. Winter tires are made of very soft rubber, compared to all-season tires, so the rubber can maintain proper elasticity when the temperature is low in winter. Road to higher-end hobbyist-grade RC. This hobby-grade RC truck is designed for beginner and intermediate-level users who wanted to move towards to high-end hobby-grade or just step out of the general RC car.